Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Are you a member of this family? If not, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the family. Guys, today's pretty exciting because I am reviewing some tech. Now this is brand new. At the time of filming, I don't even think it's launched yet. They sent it to me to review, so we're going to be putting it through its paces and you are going to see it for the first time. And guys, here you have it. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Lumonitor. And basically it's a 4K LED 1080p resolution monitor that you can use with pretty much anything. Now we all know that our monitors are kind of limited in what they can portray. They're not always super bright. The resolution is not always that great. Now if you're editing photos, if you're gaming, if you're doing pretty much anything and you need an extra monitor, this is exactly what you need. Now it's a touch screen and it's pretty much a plug and play. So there's no setup required. It has universal compatibility, which means you can use it with all sorts of cables. So you'll see it comes with your HDMI port, your Type-C port. It comes with an HDMI cable and a Type-C cable as well. But now if you look on the other side, you'll see that it comes with a micro USB port as well. On either side you've got these speakers, you have volume buttons, and down below you've got a microphone jack as well. So with all these ports you're asking, what could you use this monitor with? Well, you could use it with your PC, your MacBook, laptops, cameras, gaming consoles, TVs. You could pretty much use this with anything. Now something I like about this micro USB port is that you can connect a mouse or a keyboard, wireless or wired, to this monitor. At the back of the monitor you'll see that there are these little holes. Now these are for the mount. You can get an optional stand for the monitor, which is really useful as well. Another feature I like is that it has a built-in battery, and with the Type-C port it can deliver power and it can take in power. So you could actually have cables running to your mobile phone and this would help to charge that at the same time. So I've connected the Lumonitor to my Xbox, and as you can see, the resolution is really great. In fact, you'll probably find that the resolution on the Lumonitor is better than your laptop or even your TV monitor. Now, it has a 60 Hz vertical frequency and it has 4K ability. Okay, so what I've done now is I've connected the Lumonitor to my Android TV box. You could connect it to your cable box, which means you could watch TV, YouTube, Netflix, anything on the Lumonitor. Now look at the graphics here. And the sound is really good too. Something I love about the Lumonitor is that it is so thin and really light. So you just pop it into your backpack and you can take it wherever you want to go. You could take it on your travels, you could take it to work. That also means you could work from anywhere if you really think about it. Great, so let's get going. I think the Lumonitor is a great product, so I encourage you to go check them out. I'm leaving details down below where you can get some more information. Hey guys, and while you're here, go check out this video. I really think you'll enjoy it.